Hello everyone. Get ready for a potential short squeeze in NIO stock as bullish sentiments rise amidst market shifts and company innovations. Guys, NIO stock could be on the verge of another massive short squeeze. If you look at the stats right now, you'll see that 179.2 million shares have been shorted. Remember, short sellers are guaranteed buyers. They'll eventually have to buy back their shares, creating demand for the stock. And if the average trading volume is only 60 million shares per day, it might take around 3 days for short sellers to fully cover their shares. Now, if buying is happening rapidly and the stock is rallying quickly with no reaction time for shorts, they'll rush to exit, creating even more ballistic demand for NIO stock. Why do I think a short squeeze is imminent? It's crucial. Here are a few points. Firstly, Tesla has announced in China that they will increase the price of Model Y by 5,000 RMB from April 1st. This has caused a lot of panic. Some people are rushing to buy Model Y now. But it also means that in April, we'll quickly see a drop in Model Y deliveries compared to the last few weeks of March due to the price increase. Now, coincidentally, NIO currently has a very attractive and heavily incentivized policy with 96 free battery swap vouchers given out. It's absolute madness. Many people are buying cars now, so the pessimism for NIO stock and short sellers is diminishing. Deliveries were faltering, but now they're improving. And yes, that's true, but they are not present to see the potential for weekly deliveries to double or triple. Alright, I'm talking about weekly deliveries that could reach 4,000 vehicles, 4,000 or 5,000 per week. They are not prepared to see these numbers due to incentives, and when this happens, you know how surprised they will be. They will be absolutely shocked. Besides that, sentiments have changed quite a bit for NIO. I won't mention some other companies, that sell hybrids. I've talked about them quite a few times. They have gotten themselves into more controversy. Alright, their latest controversy, as it has been revealed, is that some of their vehicles have CATL batteries and some have batteries from unknown brands. And this hasn't been disclosed. And this is random. So if you are a customer of their brand, you might get a CATL battery which is considered good, or you might get one that is not considered good. Alright, I'm not saying which brand it is. You guys might know which brand it is. Besides that, they have gotten themselves into more controversial things like hiding price cuts from existing customers. This has made a lot of people angry, and sentiments have changed quite a bit in favor of NIO. And let me just clarify some more scandalous things related to another company, which I won't name. For example, they paint steel to look like aluminum just to give the impression that it's aluminum. How strange is that? They manipulate their speed limit. The speedometer shows a speed higher than the actual car speed, giving a false impression of greater efficiency, okay? You think you're getting great efficiency on the highway, but in reality, you're driving at a slower speed. And they do it intentionally. How bizarre is that? Their method of calculating the car travel capacity is also strange. They use some odd calculations that reduce overall energy consumption. Okay, this shows less than the actual, which is quite strange. But overall, what this has caused is that people now prefer brands like NIO, where there's a focus on material quality. You know, they use aluminum, steel, hybrids, high-quality materials, have good safety ratings, and don't compromise, avoiding scandals like using cheaper batteries just for profit without informing customers. It's all about luck. You might get a good CATL battery randomly, or you might get a bad one. It's all about luck. NIO never does anything like that, okay? And people perceive NIO CEO as more down-to-earth, positive, and a great guy, and people are indeed liking the company more. So now you are seeing that the impact is showing on the deliveries of the other so-called company which wants to increase its profits by engaging in some deceitful practices and essentially wants to sell more cars. But you know, this is having an impact on them. People are realizing this, and they are becoming aware of the deceptive tactics they are using, and the deliveries of that company are decreasing. In contrast, when we talk about NIO, amidst various automaker brands and CEOs, many people are praising NIO CEO, and even the CEO of Geely Motors has praised NIO CEO. Geely CEO has said that user has a good friend named William with whom they have many exchanges and relationships. User also thinks about future trends and believes that there will be changes and collaborations in other industries as well. They feel that various environments will be created. User considers NIO to be a very good company and believes that all aspects can be further explored for more detailed communication and relationships. In some discussions, Geely CEO has always been open to more cooperation, as stated by the CEO of Geely. There are also other brands that make phones and such items, and they are quoting William Lai and his innovative thinking, which includes providing better connectivity than cars. That's why the overall sentiment towards NIO has become much better. Recently, in a few weeks, this has become excellent, and it will definitely show in deliveries. And these deliveries will completely surprise short sellers. Short sellers are not ready, and shorting NIO stock has become very easy for short sellers. And I believe, I am fully confident that we are at a point where short sellers have become comfortable with NIO stock, thinking that this is just easy money, just short it, and you'll see it's a guaranteed profit. And you can also see this on many chat boards. People's sentiment is very bearish for the company. But here is my warning to you shorts. Be cautious. Alright. A big short squeeze is coming. Now the most important thing is, what is my outlook for NIO stock? I think the stock is around 5 units now. Maybe it will go a little lower to 4.7. Recently we have seen it around 4.78 to 4.8. I really believe that we will have to completely fill that gap at 4.7. So I mean going down to 4.7 and maybe around 4.69. Alright, that gap will be filled. And I think that will be the bottom for now. And then we will see a definite rally that may reach up to 7. A short squeeze is going to happen by 7. If the snowball keeps rolling, we might be able to exceed that price, go beyond 7, maybe reach 9 or 10. But I believe that 7 will be a difficult roof to break because it was a very early floor many months ago. So $7 is a critical level to pay attention to. And if we break above it, then what? Maybe we'll be in a new bullish market. But if not, then just be careful. Okay. But the short squeeze will continue, most probably up to $7 a share. And right now, there's a 40% gain to reach 7. That's something to look at. And for short sellers, yes, there is a need to be careful. Okay? 180 million shares are short. It's absolutely strange. It will take them 3 days to cover all of them. Good luck to the shorts, buddy. I hope they're ready. Maybe they're having sleepless nights. In just a few weeks, great deliveries will completely wreck the shorts, and that's going to happen. I know it will. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.